eTORQUE is a mild hybrid product that is adapted to a conventional powertrain system consisting of a battery pack and motor generator system. The addition of our eTORQUE mild hybrid system to the all-new Ram 1500 required the integration and optimization of additional engine and transmission efficiency enablers, developed to address customer concerns for reliability and durability and tested to beyond the standard limits of a conventional powertrain. The eTORQUE system motor generator unit, MGU, and the power pack unit, PPU, are the primary additional components. The power pack unit consists of a 48-volt lithium-ion battery with 12 cells and a DC to DC converter that steps the high voltage system voltage to the 12-volt system voltage that acts as the alternator equivalency, charging the 12-volt battery in the conventional vehicle loads. The systems provide a customer the benefit of not having to give up anything for package volume, because the packaging of the 48-volt system battery pack is contained in the same volume and cabin space that was normally occupied by a dead space in the vehicle behind the back seat. The battery pack is conditioned through cabin air with 2 internal fans. An example of how the eTORQUE system works: if you come to a zero-speed condition, the engine would be auto-stopped through the use of the motor generator unit, and then restarted with the up to 130 foot-pounds of torque in the HEMI, 90 foot-pounds in the V6, and 16 horsepower of equivalent power within the first half a rotation of the wheels. In the auto stop, you save about half a gallon an hour worth of fuel. That equates to about this amount of fuel in 90 seconds. The next step of the eTORQUE system functionality, the e-roll assist. The customer at some point is going to ask for the vehicle to move. We anticipate that through the use of the brake pedal and the accelerator pedal. And electrically, we motor the engine up to a speed where the gasoline engine can transition to being the prime mover of the product. Now that you're moving and the vehicle is accelerating, the eTORQUE system offers an additional benefit with the intelligent hybrid operating system to manage the torque of the electric motor during the shifting activity, offering additional recovery of energy. Now that you're at highway speed and cruising, you would typically have your radio on, your interior cabin comfort functions on. Those parasitic components that are typically provided through the alternator are uniquely managed in the eTORQUE system. We have the ability to use the 48-volt battery to charge the 12-volt battery, independent of the motor generator unit functionality. There's an additional benefit to eTORQUE, which is the ability to add additional torque from the motor to decelerate the engine and smooth out that transition between the 2 gears, offering an improved shifting and drivability experience. One of the biggest benefits to all hybrid systems is through the use of recovering the vehicle momentum for recoverability. We do that through regenerative braking, using the transmission, engine, and motor to provide the ability to decelerate the vehicle and displace the braking function that the friction system typically does through an overlay braking regenerative architecture. That energy is then able to be utilized for auto starting, acceleration, and other hybrid functionality that offers further fuel saving from that regenerative braking function. So there you have it. The all-new Ram 1500 with eTORQUE offers our customers enhanced efficiency, drivability, performance, and value.